my side, there is another exciting episode of Surrego today. And what we're giving you before I say that, please welcome if this is the first time of viewing our channel. It's all about making your food more exciting. What are we doing today? Yes, please go to my page and check on our special Eforiro, one of its kind. So what we're doing today is Eforiro special again, but with boiled plantain and potato, Irish potato to be precise. So if you've not watched our video on Eforiro before, please kindly go and watch it so that we can just mix the Eforiro today and use it to eat our special plantain and potato. So let me just introduce you again to my special Eforiro. So this is my red bell that I've already I blend it not thorough and make it coarse. So this is my rishi. I have my meat, my tendon, my shaki, my beef, depends on what kind of a meat you want to do for it. I have my red oil here. I have my stock stock fish, the beet one, okoroko, and this is my dry fish. This is actually a jakika, the one they call a jakika. And this is my blended habanero, just bonnet scotch. This is my onion that has been blended, and that's my Eforiro locust beans. And this is my blended crayfish. It could be your prawn, it could be your crayfish, it could be, but sincerely, the flavor is very good in Eforiro. Most of African soup has to have this flavor in it. And see, this is my special veggies that I normally use for my vegetables. I don't do without kale. I don't know why I keep on measuring this kale. Is it that kale or tulip? There are a whole lot of bunch of alternatives to all your vegetables. Like my ugu now, I use my kale, and sincerely, kale is good. People that have tasted it know how good kale is. Most people are making that using. They are taking advantage of it. So this is what we're using to eat my vegetable today. See, my plantain and my potato. I love it. So I am not going to dwell so much on the Eforiro because you can watch my page and see how it's been made. But by the time I finish, I will dwell on how I do my plantain and potato so that we can use it to eat the Eforiro. So let's go and get things ready. Thank you. Some say because the plantain is already sweet, there's no need for salt. So I do little for the sake of my potato. So my brethren, it has dawned. This is the finished of the Eforiro with plantain and potato. Sincerely, I don't know how to say come and eat. If you can download it, please download and eat. Please, just do it for me. It's looking, I don't know. But guys, this is just it. This is the potato and plantain. You know, I do in between the ripe and non-ripe so that I can have it not too sweet and so balance my taste. So guys, kindly subscribe, shares, like, and click the notification button so that anytime we upload any new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. So therefore, I am going to say bye for now, and we always put all the details in the description. You see all the quantity of what we use, how we use it, what are the measurements and everything. So guys, till we see again, come and eat. Thank you very much and bye.